Yo, what's up everyone? It's welcome and we're back again with another video. Today we're talking all things ChatGPT. You've probably heard about it, maybe even played around with it a little. It's impressive, right? But trust me, you haven't seen anything yet. We're diving deep into the hidden tips and tricks, the stuff that'll completely change the way you use this AI powerhouse. Think you know everything about ChatGPT? Think again. In this video, we're diving into hidden tips and tricks that will transform the way you use ChatGPT. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these hacks will blow your mind. Alright, first up is all about getting what you want out of ChatGPT. It's like having the world's most powerful search engine at your fingertips, but instead of just keywords, you're feeding it entire prompts. And just like with any good search, the more specific you are, the better the results. Think of it this way. You wouldn't just walk into a library and yell, "Give me a book!" You'd go in with a specific author, title, or genre in mind. ChatGPT is the same way. Instead of a vague request like, "Tell me about history," try something like, "Summarize the key events of World War II in under 100 words." See the difference? The more detail you provide, the more ChatGPT has to work with, and the more impressive the output. It's all about giving it the right tools to do its magic. Next up, let's talk about using ChatGPT as your very own learning companion. We've all been there, wrestling with a tough concept, spending hours trying to make sense of it all. Well, now you've got ChatGPT in your corner, ready to break down complex ideas into bite-sized pieces. Imagine having a tutor available 24/7, ready to explain anything from quantum physics to ancient philosophy. That's the power of this tool. And the best part is, it adapts to your learning style. Don't be afraid to ask follow-up questions. If something doesn't click, just say, "Can you explain that in even simpler terms?" Or "Can you give me an example?" ChatGPT is all about making information accessible and engaging, so don't hold back on the questions. Now, this is where things start to get really interesting. ChatGPT isn't just a fact machine, it's also a creative powerhouse. One of the coolest things you can do is role-playing. Want to practice for a job interview? Tell ChatGPT to act as the interviewer and fire away your questions. Need to write dialogue for a story but struggling to find the right voice? Ask ChatGPT to become a 1920s detective or a medieval knight. The possibilities are literally endless. You can even use it to brainstorm ideas, generate story prompts, or even write entire scripts. It's like having a creative partner in crime, always ready to bounce ideas off of and explore new possibilities. Chapter 4. Formatting for clarity. Structure your ChatGPT responses. Alright, let's talk about organization. Sometimes you need information presented in a specific way, whether it's bullet points for a presentation, a table for comparison, or even code snippets for a project. Well, guess what? ChatGPT's got you covered there too. Instead of manually formatting everything yourself, just tell ChatGPT what you need. Need a step-by-step guide? Ask for it. Want a summary organized into key takeaways? Done. You can even ask it to generate outlines for essays, articles, or even entire books. This is a huge time saver, especially for students, writers, or anyone who works with a lot of information. Chapter 5. The context is key. Setting the stage for seamless interaction. Now, this next tip is all about efficiency. Let's say you're working on a marketing campaign with ChatGPT as your brainstorming buddy. Instead of reminding it about your target audience, brand voice, and campaign goals every single time, you can set the context up front. Think of it like giving ChatGPT a cheat sheet. Tell it, "Pretend you're my marketing assistant for this session, or you're a chef helping me create a new recipe." From that point on, ChatGPT will remember that context throughout your entire conversation. This saves you a ton of time and allows you to dive straight into the good stuff without constantly repeating yourself. Chapter 6. Beyond the practical, unleash the fun side of ChatGPT. Okay, we've covered a lot of practical tips, but let's not forget that ChatGPT can also be a ton of fun. This is a tool that can write jokes, compose poems, even generate memes on demand. Don't be afraid to get creative and try some off-the-wall prompts. Ask it to write a haiku about your pet goldfish or a limerick about your morning commute. The possibilities are truly limitless, and you never know what kind of gems you'll uncover. The more you experiment and play around with ChatGPT, the more you'll discover its hidden depths and capabilities. So there you have it, those are just a few tips and tricks to take your ChatGPT game to the next level. Remember, this is just the beginning. AI is constantly evolving, and so are the possibilities. The more you explore and experiment, the more amazed you'll be by what you can achieve. Now I want to hear from you. Which tip was your favorite? What are you most excited to try out? Let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future tech deep dives. Now you're ready to supercharge your ChatGPT experience. Which tip was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and AI hacks.